In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over some trimmer liner, basically some weed eater string. Check this thing out, everybody. So what this is from the company YV, maybe is how you would say that, and this is a 3-pound roll. So 3 pounds meaning that it's 280 feet inside this roll right here. Actually, let me just open it up and let's just kind of like look over it here. So just going over some of this string itself. Number one, it's packaged like this. It's got a piece of tape. I'm not going to take it off, but I will kind of pull a piece off right here and show you. So I've got the 0.155 line. It comes in 0.105 and it comes in this 0.155, and you can get it in either the 5-pound or the 3-pound roll. This is high strength and it's got less wind noise. This is a lot better for heat resistance and all that and feeling of it. This stuff feels so tough. This is some of the toughest weed eater string I've ever seen right here. So I went ahead and ordered one of these larger rolls like this. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna actually soak this roll overnight and let it get wet, and it gets moisture in it. And what it does, it'll be a lot easier to take off. It gets rid of this like curl that it's got on there, because being packaged like this, it will stay like that. So you need to do that if you get one of these. But overall, I think this is some of the best weed eater string available for like high powered weed eaters. I've used this in the past. I don't have my weed eater here today, but you know what? I'm getting it fixed, and once it gets back, I'm gonna have me a ton of string. So I'll see y'all in the next video.